I decided to do a Google search. And so I put in these three terms: community college, OER, and English. And interestingly, when I put them in different order, those terms, I got a different set of hits. But what you can tell is that I got a bunch of hits from different community colleges. And what they are is LibGuides. And so I discovered that community colleges, a lot of them have created LibGuides to compile open education resources in English. And they all are done a little differently. I'm going to drill down in a second, but like this one links to Open Textbook Library, the section on literature, rhetoric, and poetry, and other sections within, larger repositories. This one over here links directly to some textbooks. Let's see. Well, anyway, they all look a little different. I am going to then drill down right here because I found this site interesting, this repository called LibreText, because what it does is it looks like it has authors upload their content in a very specific and uniform format. So I'm going to go to advanced composition because that's the class I'm looking for materials on. And there are a bunch of books, but you can see that the books all take the same format. I'm going to go in here, and even within the books, the chapters, the way the page looks is similar to the way the previous page looked, which listed the books. And so I found this repository kind of interesting, and I found some good stuff here. So what I learned is that there really are endless OER options, and furthermore they're like layer upon layer of options and research to do.